You're trying to find somebody or someone or a place that you can refuel, that you can quench your thirst, that you can satisfy your hunger and fill your emptiness, but you cannot find anybody that can fill you up. Kapag iniisip mo, dati hindi naman ako ganito. Dati hindi ako nagrereklamo kahit ano ipagawa sa akin ng leader ko. Dati hindi ako nagrereklamo kahit ano ipakanta namin sa church. Masaya na ako, basta may Christian song, basta para kay Lord, I'm happy. Kahit boring na boring nga ako. I'm happy. But right now, you started to complain. You are not disrespectful to your leaders dati. You always honor them. You're always there for them. Now, all of a sudden, you say, mas magaling pa ako sa kanya mag-preach, mas talented pa ako sa kanila, mas magaling pa ako sa kanila. And you cannot feed. Kahit sinong kaharap mo, kahit sino, parang feeling mo, walang nakakasatisfy ng hunger. And you know what, church? I would like to say this to you. This is a warning for each and every one of us. This is a dangerous place to be in. Spiritual drought is a dangerous place to be in. Emotional drought is a dangerous place to be in.